Welcome back to Add Art. It was my birthday yesterday and I had a lovely cake made for me by my wife and children, and I thought it would be nice in today's lesson if we drew a birthday cake. If you know anyone whose birthday it is, I thought you'd be able to draw a picture and send it to them and wish them a happy birthday. So let's make a start, shall we? First we'll put in one side of the cake and then the other. Get a big cake. Now my cake yesterday had chocolate balls all around the bottom and they were quite yummy, so let's put some of those in. Get it so it looks as though it's curved slightly like the bottom of the cake. Putting in some light reflections on each of the shiny chocolate balls. Now let's go up to the top. Should we put some cream on this? Some buttercream, there we go. That will stop. Put a candle in. Now I'm not going to put all the candles it would be for my birthday because that would take forever. Just put a few in. The candles, these little candle holders, we have these sort of almost like flowers. So put some of those in. Do 4 candles. Last one. It's a bit easier if you start with the actual candle holder and then draw the candle into it. Okay, let's finish these candles off. They have these sort of diagonal lines running down them. Wick in, another one there. That's the bit you light, so you can blow it out. There we go, and we can finish off this thick buttercream that's been dolloped on top. Some coloured sprinkles. You can obviously decorate your cake with all the bits you like to eat on a birthday cake. You don't have to follow my design. You can always put whatever you want on it. Okay, let's put some dribbly chocolate. Trendy bakers now do these rainbow cakes. I think we'll do one of those, and they have these chocolate dribbles coming all the way down the side. Just so it looks like it's dribbling down the side of the cake there on the other side. Now let's put the layers in for this rainbow cake. We need to make sure we get the numbers right. It's 7 layers. There's the red one. Yellow. Orange. Green. Blue. And then one last line, and that can be for the indigo and the violet. There's our rainbow cake. We can put some little drips, chocolatey drips. plate in so we can carry it to the table. Goes round and joins up. Another line there for the edge of the plate. Join it up from the other side. And put a base on it as well. There's our cake on the plate. So let's make it into a bit more of a party scene, shall we? Put it on a table. Let's put some balloons in the background. There in the front. Tie it off. This one with a string attached. It's a helium balloon, it's filled with helium, so it's rising in the air. Put those little light reflections on. These are the balloons that are tied together. Let's put some more of these. Reflections in. Right, that side's done, but the other side's looking pretty empty, so let's put another big balloon in there, shall we? There's one. Second one just behind. String in. There we go. It's looking a bit more like a party now. Now we need to light the candles, don't we, for whoever's birthday it is, so they can blow them out and make a wish. And actually, at the end of this lesson, you can blow the candles out and make a wish as well. Put some shadow in. Let's make this tablecloth rainbow coloured as well. Make this scene really colourful. Let's put some stripy lines on the tablecloth there. And there we have it, I think. There is our birthday cake and birthday party. Hope you've enjoyed drawing along with that one today. Now, I did say you could blow out the candles, so take a deep breath and blow. Make a wish. Don't forget to subscribe so you know when another drawing appears and you can join in. If you hit the thumb button, that gives a like, and I appreciate that. And if you want to make a suggestion of something I should draw next, you can ask a grown-up to leave me a message on my Instagram account, which is @ad_art_king. Well, that's it for today. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.